Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fanciful Nancy. In this Plan With Me video, I'm going to show you how I set up the month of August in my planner with a sticker kit from the Stationery Muse. I usually don't get to use sticker kits when I set up my planner, so I am super excited about this month, and this sticker kit is so beautiful and happy and uplifting. I cannot wait to use it. I don't usually use gold, orange, yellow colors, so I've made some stickers to go with it. I usually use all washi tape when I set up my planner. Today though, I didn't have any washi tape that matched the colors of the sticker kit, so I'm going to use some scrapbook paper that I had. I thought it was really cute. I'm going to start off by just kind of measuring how wide the borders are on my planner and cut those down to size. While I had my scrapbook paper out, I decided to go ahead and just punch some circles out of it. I did it in a couple of different sizes. I decided to do that because the stickers are size for Erin Condren, and because I'm doing the month spread, I have little squares and not rectangles, so I thought I would disguise that the shapes don't really fit correctly by adding more shapes that won't fit correctly. I guess I thought it would be more visually interesting than just having rectangles and seeing that they do not fit inside the little squares. So now I'm just going to glue down the scrapbook paper that I cut already. I'm just using a dollar store glue stick. I actually don't think it works that well, but it is all I have at my house right now. It works okay if you use a lot of glue and stick it down really, really good. So next what I'm going to do is actually use some washi tape to cover the pastel days of the week that are at the top, because the pastel does not go with the pretty golden yellows that we have. But my washi tape is pretty thin and you can see right through it, so I'm going to cut some just white printer paper down to size to cover it up so that the tape doesn't show anything behind it. This step can be a little time consuming, and it's not something that I usually do when I plan, but when you only have one kind of washi tape that matches the stickers you're using, it's a good little tool to have in your toolbox. So once I stick my washi down and I have everything the way I want it, I'm going to use the days of the week stickers from the kit and cover it up. Don't do what I do. Use a gift card to rip your washi tape. It gives you a much cleaner line and looks a lot nicer than what I just did with the scissors. So because August had some overlapping days at the end of the week, I decided it would be really cute if I use these sticky notes to do the little half boxes at the end of the month. The sticky notes actually came in a subscription box with the sticker kit. It's my first time having any kind of stationery subscription box, and I really love it. There were all kinds of cute goodies inside of it, and I'm really enjoying them this month. So I am just going to glue those down. And as you can see, I've got little lines already drawn on. When I start my planner at the beginning of the year, I usually draw out all the numbers and important things. You can see I already have a few notes written down on some days. I know a lot of people like to wait until they've got their whole layout finished before writing anything in the boxes. I feel like you do get a prettier end result when you do it that way, but for me, I've found that I'll end up forgetting to write some really important things down if I wait until I have the time to make everything look pretty, versus if I'm getting everything down in my planner that I know I need to do and then come back later and decorate it like what I do every month. So I end up having a few things in there that I always have to be kind of creative and go back and redo, or remove the stickers and change the stickers out just to make things look more cohesive later on. So you see here I'm having to redraw the lines that I had dividing the days out. I also have already written in all of the dates in black ink. My sticker kit actually came with some really cute matching numbers, but they were smaller than what I had already written. So unfortunately, that's just a style sacrifice I'm gonna make from setting up my planner a little earlier than I get to decorate my planner. The other thing that I'm changing is I'm using this pen that also came in the subscription box to go over the pastel letters that made up the August sticker. This planner is actually a Recollections planner from Michaels, specifically for goal setting. So a lot of it was pastel, so I had to change out the pastel stickers, and I obviously went over the August to make it gold and match a little better. Now I'm just playing around with my scrapbook paper and setting it in a few different places that I think will look interesting. I'm starting to find places for all of my fun stickers. Like I said in the beginning, these stickers are really uplifting and bright and fun to look at. The quotes that she chose are very inspirational, and they're just stickers that make you happy. And let's be honest, guys, 2020 has not been the easiest year for anybody, so I felt like this was exactly what I needed right now. So I replaced some pastel stickers, some icon stickers with some of the ones from the kit, gluing my circles down and just adding more and more stickers. The more stickers, the better. That box I'm putting down for my goals later on. Every month I like to have a little spot where I write down a few main goals that I'm going to achieve that month. Something that I've learned this year, since I couldn't travel and do some of the other goals that I had for 2020, is that focusing in on just a few key things really helps me get things done. So that's actually something that I've started just since March, and it's helped me a lot. This is a little, it's not a sticker, it's just a little flower cutout that also came in the kit. Glue that down again with my dollar store glue stick. And then these stickers I made using watercolor paint on Avery labels, and then I have these little icon stamps, and I have a few things that I do that don't come with standard kits. Like this is a little beach ball, and that's to remind me to treat the pool that we have, because we have to put chemicals in it every week. And then I just like to always remind myself when trash day is, and there's usually only 1 or 2 of those in any sticker kit, so I always make extra for myself. I'll post another video where I show you guys how I make those. It's really easy. I've been feeling really creative lately, so I'm going to post more videos. So like and subscribe and all that good stuff if you want to see more. Once I finish placing all my stickers, I have a bright, happy August spread. Thank you guys so much for watching this Plan With Me video. I'll see you next time.